Have you ever wondered why we age and if we could do something about it? Ever since we become aware of our own death, it has been a mystery to humanity. Aging, it seems, is a universal experience that binds us all. But what if I told you the secret to aging lies deep within our cells? Our cells are the smallest units of life, and they age just like we do. As we grow older, the health of our cells begins to deteriorate, a process known as cellular aging. And one key player in this process is NAD+, a molecule that plays a crucial role in maintaining cellular health. NAD+ helps our cells function at their best, but as we age, our NAD+ levels naturally decrease. This decline in NAD+ is thought to be one of the factors that contribute to aging. But what if there was a way to boost our NAD+ levels and potentially slow down the aging process? Enter NMN Supplements, a groundbreaking development in the world of health and aging. But what exactly is NMN? NMN stands for nicotinamide mononucleotide, a molecule naturally occurring in our bodies. This compound is a precursor to another critical molecule, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, or NAD+ for short. NAD+ is a coenzyme present in all living cells and plays a pivotal role in energy metabolism and maintaining proper cell function. As we age, the levels of NAD+ in our bodies decline, which is believed to be one of the main reasons for the degenerative processes that come with aging. Now, this is where NMN supplements come in. By increasing the levels of NMN in the body, we can boost the production of NAD+. And the more NAD+ we have, the better our cells can function, potentially delaying the aging process and improving overall health. But don't just take our word for it. Exciting research has been conducted on mice, showing the positive effects of NMN on health and lifespan. Mice given NMN supplements displayed improved age-associated weight gain, energy metabolism, and physical activity. Not only that, but they also showed improved eye function, bone density, and immune function, among other benefits. While we're still in the early stages of understanding the full potential of NMN, the results so far are promising. So, NMN seems to be a promising key to unlock the door of longevity. But what exactly can these NMN supplements do for us? You might ask. Well, the benefits of NMN supplements are nothing short of remarkable. Let's start with energy levels. NMN supplements are known to boost the production of NAD+, a molecule that plays a crucial role in energy production at the cellular level. This means you could potentially have more vitality and stamina to power through your day. Next up, brain function. NMN supplements are believed to support cognitive health by maintaining the health of neurons and promoting the repair of damaged DNA. This could mean sharper focus, better memory, and even a potential delay in the onset of age-related cognitive decline. Now, let's talk about overall health. NMN supplements have shown promise in improving metabolic health, which could have potential benefits for conditions like diabetes and heart disease. They could help regulate blood sugar levels, improve insulin sensitivity, and promote heart health by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. But it's not all set in stone. While the research on NMN supplements is promising, it's important to remember that more studies are needed, especially in humans. The potential of NMN supplements is exciting, but we need to tread carefully and make sure we're not getting ahead of the science. NMN supplements might be a fascinating piece of the puzzle in the pursuit of health and longevity.